Hello and welcome back to 100 coding challenges in C Sharp. This is episode 36 and it's called for loop count. In this challenge, we're going to ask the user for a number and then output a counter to that number. For example, number 1, number 2, etc. If you'd like to give the challenge a go yourself, then pause the video now. Let's get started. First thing we'll do is just ask the user to enter a number. And then we'll store that number in an integer called number. And then we'll have a for loop which will iterate to the number that the user's entered in, and then console.writeLine number and the iteration that we're in. And then let's give that a run. So I'll say number 10. As you can see, it starts from number 1 and goes all the way up to 10. Instead of doing +1 here, there's another way we can do this where instead of starting from 0, we'll start from 1. And the condition for us to end the loop will change from being I is less than number to I is less or equals to number. So if we run that, this should give us the same effect as before. And there you go. As you can see, it starts from number 1 and ends at number 10. If we leave this as it was before, and we don't actually have I plus 1 here, and we run it, what you will see is we will end up starting from number 0 and then ending at number 9, which is incorrect for this challenge. This should have been a super simple one. I hope you guys found it easy. Leave a comment to let me know how you got on. And if you're enjoying the series, then make sure to subscribe, as I am posting more frequently now. I also have other content which I'm working on too. So make sure to go on my channel and check that out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.